YouTube, what's up? It's the Anonymous Sneakerhead. I'm back with another sneaker video for y'all today. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. We need to get to 100 subscribers so we can do that $100 Foot Locker gift card giveaway. Now that that's out the way, let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so first of all, I just want to apologize. I know I didn't come out with a video last week. Things are going crazy in school right now. It's the end of my football season, senior thesis, work, internships, all of that. So I've been really busy. Anyways, I got a couple of topics that I want to cover in this video today. The first one is just, guys, I really appreciate all the love y'all been showing, subscribing, everything. We're at 97 subscribers as of me recording this video, which means that we are only 3 subscribers away from the $100 Foot Locker gift card giveaway. So hopefully by the time the next video airs, I can tell you guys the steps you need to follow on how to enter the giveaway. But yeah, all I need is 3 subscribers. Obviously more than 3 can subscribe. I need as many subscribers as possible. But keep showing love to the videos and to the channel. So moving on to what we're going to talk about today in this video. First of all, I want to just talk about the Melody Ehsani Fearless Air Jordan 1s that are coming out this coming weekend. Those things are already going crazy. And then just second, I want to do a quick follow up on the sole shields that I made, the DIY sole shields I made however many weeks ago or months ago. So we'll talk about those 2 things, and then that'll be it for this video. So like I said, guys, first up with the Melody Ehsani Air Jordan 1s, or just the whole Fearless Air Jordan 1 pack that's been coming out. First of all, we had the Fearlesses that came out 2 weeks ago, and I'm really happy that I didn't go for those. I went for them on Foot Locker and I didn't get them, but I'm happy I didn't go for them on sneakers, because it's a shoe that I don't think I would have worn, and it was a shoe that I was going to get just to see what the resale value would be like. And I remember the morning that they came out, I went to Foot Locker that night to grab some Force Fields for another pair of Air Force Ones that I have, and I saw the Fearless Air Jordan 1 sitting in Foot Locker. It was a big size. It was a size 13, but still they were sitting, which is never good for resale value. And right now they're only going for, they came out for 160. They're only going for, I know on StockX I saw in a size 12, I think it was 184, and then on Go I saw 200. So they're going anywhere from like 180 to $200. So it's not a huge profit margin. And the reason why I actually didn't end up going for those was because earlier the week when they came out, they had announced the Kendrick Lamar React Element 55s, which are dope to me, the multi-platinums. I struck out on the sneakers app, and depending on what happens with these Melody Ehsani's coming up, I'll probably just grab a pair of them anyway, because the resale on them isn't too bad for what they are to me. Kendrick Lamar is my personal favorite artist. But yeah, guys, so let's get into these Melody Ehsani's, man. So you guys see them right here. It's kind of a what the kind of deal, like a what the colorway. 2 different color palettes on each shoe, and it has that gold watch face on the laces, at the bottom of the laces. These are retailing for $130, and if I'm correct, I thought they were coming out in men's sizes. I hear people saying they're only coming out in women's sizes. Hopefully they come out in men's sizes. I'm gonna try on multiple different accounts, because I know I'll strike out at least once or twice. So I'm gonna have 2 of my accounts up. I'm going to see if I can have a couple friends try to grab them for me on the sneakers app. I'll probably still strike out on all of them. But best case scenario, I could get more than one of them. I get to keep one to myself, and I get to sell whatever else I get. Absolute worst case scenario, obviously I strike out. A lot of people will. But if you just look at this shoe, guys, just a little insignia on the bottom. If you knew what you had was rare, you would never let it go. It's if you knew what you had was rare, you would never waste it. The Air Jordan ones, the not for resale Air Jordan ones, where they had that written on the midsole. Then obviously, like I said, the colorway, the watch, it's obviously loud colors. It's something new that we've never seen on the Air Jordan 1. These things are already going for upwards of $500, and I think the prices will only go higher as we get closer to release day. And like I said, they retail for $130, so there's a huge profit margin to be made, which is something that I'm really excited about. So yeah, those come out November 15th, which is this Friday, I believe. Let me just check my calendar real quick. November 15th is, yeah, today's the 10th. Yeah, November 15th is this Friday. So they'll come out this Friday, 10 o'clock. Everybody get on Sneakers at, catch your L's. Those of you that catch your dubs, hopefully I'll catch one and we'll be able to talk about it later. But that's the shoe that I'm definitely most excited about coming out right now. And hopefully by after next week, then a couple more days, I'll have a video reviewing them for you. So now let's get into the second part of this video. And I know you guys are sick and tired of seeing me talk about this one particular shoe, but I could talk about it in so many different ways. And that is the Jordan 5 Inspire, and what I did with it with the DIY sole shield, or whatever you want to call it, sole shield, sole protector, whatever you want to call them. So I am currently 5 wears in, so you guys can see the pictures right here. Here's the first wear. You guys can see with the first wear, still looks really clean, no big problems, looks great. Yeah, so that's the first wear, simple. Second wear, same thing, really clean, protects the outsole of the shoe. You can start seeing a little dirt collect on the sole protector, but who really cares? That's the whole point of it. Third wear, same thing. And then by the time we got to the fourth wear, I'm not sure if you guys can see it in that picture, there was a little hole by the heel developing on the outside of the heel on each shoe. Here's the fifth wear. You can kind of see him again, and I'll zoom in on him real quick so you can see it. There's a little holes. You guys see what I'm talking about. But so I'm not sure if that's just a product of the way that I walk, that both of those little holes happen to be in the same spot on each shoe. So I don't know if that happens, if it's a product of the way that I walk and the way that my feet hit the ground when I walk, or maybe just the way that the shoe is built and the curves at that part of each shoe. It could be a bunch of different things, and honestly, if I wasn't doing the recap for this video, I would probably try to just get a really small piece of vinyl right here and just cover up here. There's the hole, you can see it. I don't know, let me see if you can get a better look at both of them. You can see one of the holes right there, same spot on each shoe. What I would try to do if I wasn't doing a video for it, I would just get a small piece of vinyl and put it on right here and just try to cover that up. Maybe I'll do that on one, just to see how that holds up. But I'm not gonna do it. Maybe later. Maybe the next time I'll do that. Anyways, so there's that little hole right there. You can see a little bit of dirt or wear is getting into the icy sole, and the whole point of me doing it on this Jordan 5 and not every shoe is because I just like to keep my icy soles icy. So what I'm gonna do right now is peel the bottom of this off, which I haven't really figured out how I'm gonna do that. So let's see. I'm just gonna start from the back, and oh yeah, here it goes. So I'm starting from the back. It's still stuck on there pretty good, so that's a good thing. And here it goes. Hopefully it comes off in one piece pretty easy. There it goes. This could be on one of those oddly satisfying videos on Snapchat. Bottom, but this off of the, what is this, the right shoe that I have here, you guys can see the outline is actually pretty dope looking. I might keep this or do something with it. You can see the outline of the Jordan 5. It still says Jordan and everything on there. It has the whole outline of the outsole. That's kind of dope. I'm gonna save that. I might do something with that later. I don't know. Probably not. But yeah, here's the outsole of the shoes. You guys can see really icy, real clean. Basically DS looking. I have the force fields in here so that there's no creasing, and I put the Crep Protect on here to keep the spray real nice. So yeah, looks really clean, and then when you get to that one spot, whereas, let's see if I can find it in the camera. Can I find it in the camera? There it is. So you get to that one little spot where I showed that hole before, and there's a little small dirty spot, so I'll be able to clean that up. Because it's such a small spot, I should be able to get that out of there. And then I will put on the next sole shield. So let me just rip, I don't want to say rip, that sounds aggressive, but let me just take off this little piece right here, not little piece, but the whole second outsole. Alright, so here it is on the left shoe, and once again, same thing in the same spot, towards the heel. You got that one little hole that showed up, so I'm going to clean that out before I put the next set of sole protectors on there. Like I said, you guys saw in the previous video, I'm not going to go through how I do it. Just go click on my previous video about it. But it's a really easy process. You just outline the shoe, outline the shoe on the vinyl, place the vinyl on there, use the heat gun to get it to stick. So I'm gonna reevaluate with myself, just noticing after taking these off, I'm gonna reevaluate with myself how I walk. It's got to be something about the way that I walk on both of the shoes in the same spot. You got that wear down hole, and it's such a small hole, but it was just something I wanted to address, get it off, put it back on. Next time I'll just put a little piece of vinyl over there if that happens. But so I'm gonna go ahead and reapply my vinyl outsole. Like I said, I did a video of it before. Go check it out to see how to do it. I'm not going to show you guys how to do that, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so change of plans. I did not have enough vinyl to do both pairs of shoes. I could have did one, but I'm just going to wait. I'm going to go order some more right now off of Amazon. Probably just order a bigger roll than I did before. Because I did put some on a pair of Air Force Ones a while ago. I didn't do a video on those, but yeah, so change of plans. I could not put the new vinyl bottom on these right here, but what I did notice is, so it's definitely about the way that I walk and not the make of the shoe, because where is it? I can't see it anymore because I cleaned it up, but it's a scuff in the shoe. Like the sole has, I don't want to say a hole in it, but there's an indentation in the outsole right there, so that definitely has something to do with the way I walk. So for next time, like I thought about earlier in the video, instead of taking off the whole sole shield and putting on a new one, I'll just cut off a little piece and heat gun it right to where the little hole is. But yeah guys, that's it for this video, man. I appreciate y'all for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Let me know how you guys do on those Melody Ehsanis, and when we get to 100 subscribers, I'll let y'all know the steps to get this $100 Foot Locker gift card giveaway. I'll see y'all at the next one.